Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter V6 engine, EcoBoost, as well as spray and bed liner, heated cloth bucket seats, as well as tow hooks, blackout grille, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this huge door with tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom here. You're going to have the speakers on the bottom there as well. Of course, the power lock, power mirrors, and power windows as well. Of course, you're going to have the side steps here, and we're going to move on to the seat, the power adjustable heated cloth sport bucket seat. And onto the left side, of course, we're going to have our mirrors as well as our lighting control and our parking brake as well. And on the steering wheel, of course, we're going to have our odometer control, cruise control set on the left, and on the right, our volume and voice recognition controls as well. You're just going to have the classic analog and digital speedometer there as well. Of course, moving on to the center console, we're going to have our trailer backup and our 2- and 4-wheel drive. Here's the climate control, of course, as you can see with the heated seats. And over here, we're going to have our infotainment system. And you're going to, of course, you can have different options there as well. If we go back, there we go to audio. Of course, we're going to have Bluetooth connectivity, navigation there as well. And of course, we can have our Sirius XM travel link. Of course, it's also going to have on this side the 12-volt DC port and AC wall charger with 2 USB ports on the bottom there, just a little extra storage and paneling with the cup holders. Of course, we're going to have the huge center console with the 12-volt DC port and just tons of extra storage inside. It's going to have that same finish on the passenger side, of course, with the red stitching and the sport, the power lock, and the power window, and of course, the speakers just on the bottom. We're going to have that same trim on the dash as well. Just a little extra storage compartment there, the classic review mirror, sunglass case holder, reading lamp, and of course, the dual pane sunroof as well. We're going to have these blacked out 20-inch alloy wheels here. Of course, we're going to have that red sport XLT trim. Of course, the black split design on the side of the door with the black plastic mirror cap, but of course the paint matched door handles. Of course, it's going to have the keypad there as well. It's going to have that trim all along here with the FX4 off-road. Of course, we're going to have the sensors on the back as well as a trailer hitch, as well as the EcoBoost trim. Of course, you can see the exhaust just right there. We're going to have the classic tailgate with spray and box liner, as well as these mounted hooks throughout the sides. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear, again, we're going to have these huge doors. It is a SuperCrew, so you're going to have lots of extra storage and paneling there as well, of course, with the power windows. And since it is a SuperCrew, I'm pretty tall, I'm 6'1", and you're going to have tons of extra legroom, like I can also almost extend my full leg. You're going to have storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as cup holders, ventilation, as well as 2 USB ports and a 110 volt, AC wall charger. You're not going to have a cup holder, but it's all going to come in handy because you're going to have a sunroof just right above your head. All right, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT trim. Comes equipped with a 2.7 liter V6 engine, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, spray and box lighter, tow hooks, as well as premium cloth bucket seats, heated as well. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.